everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of Versace. So this is not a brand that I'm familiar with. However, I'm so obsessed, okay, and I've been so obsessed with the latest collection. This one is the collaboration of Versace and Dua Lipa. So I'm so into every single each pieces. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing today to review what items that I've got. And also I've got here, look, I think the packaging is so just like, high quality, and the box is so smooth. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump into this. The reason why I bought these two pieces is because, I need to get away from Chanel for a while because of the crazy price increasing, and I've heard that they're gonna increase the price again. I am just speechless. So it's just a getaway pieces from Chanel, to be honest. So the first one here is the swimwear. Yes, so I can easily do this without breaking. It's the swimwear. Yes, I've ordered the smallest size here, and I just love how luxurious the packaging is. Yes, the swimwear, so, well, it looks very good on camera, doesn't it? So, yeah, the swimwear bikini here. So, yes, because I'm gonna have a quick summer trip to Northern Hemisphere, so I guess I might need these. The other one is, yes, my favorite. So these are a pair of shoes. So when I saw them on their website, I was totally mesmerized by them. Well, I love pink. I love metallic. I love pink. I love metallic. Look. So they use DHL, so fresh from Italy. So both of the pieces are fresh from Italy. So yeah, and recently I've watched a lot runway show from them. So I have to admit, they have so many cool pieces that I've never noticed before. I think maybe that, I was brainwashed by Chanel, like, too much. But now I don't mind, to explore more, like, wow, what is this? To explore more other brands. Quality. It's just yelling quality. To be honest, their packaging, actually their packaging is better than Chanel. Look at this. It's a beautiful, beautiful detailed butterfly sandals from the latest collection, which is called Lavaganza. Yes, so if you watch that runway show, you will definitely be like amazed by their design and everything. So yeah, this is exactly what I want. Actually, on the website, it's like wrappy shoes, right? It's like wrappy shoes. You can wrap it all over your calves, so that and the heel is 11 centimeters. And yeah, what about the other one? Like I said, in Southern Hemisphere right now, you absolutely don't need this too, but I'm gonna have a trip to Northern Hemisphere, so I'm gonna enjoy the summer there. Yeah, so this is my unboxing today. It's very simple. It's not Chanel. Maybe, I need to take a break from Chanel right now because I just don't find anything, exciting at this point in time. And to be honest, yesterday I almost bought a Chanel wallet on chain from 23SS collection, and then I was like, oh, you know, it was again a pink walk, and the price is almost $6,000 Australian, and I was like, nah, I would rather add another $2,000 or 1,000 something dollars to buy a mini bag rather than, you know, than buy something, buy a walk, you know. Yeah, and I'm not a wallet on chain person because I just don't think those wallet on chains, they're really flattering. Okay, guess who's here right now? Yeah, so maybe I will just pop some like pictures from their website and you will know what do they look like, but I really do. I want this pair of shoes so badly. Maybe I will just buy one ready to wear piece from them, but I'm not sure yet, so I need to try them first and see what happens next. Wow, it's so beautiful.